What if I told you that you could transform your body in just 20 minutes a day? No fancy equipment, no gym membership, and no complicated routines. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to share 5 simple yet powerful exercises that can completely change the way you look, feel, and move. These exercises are perfect for building strength, improving mobility, and boosting your overall fitness, all from the comfort of your home. Stick around till the end because I've also put together a quick and easy workout plan that ties it all together. Plus, I'll share tips to make these exercises more effective, whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your fitness game. If you're ready to take control of your fitness journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Number 1, the glute bridge. This exercise is perfect for strengthening your glutes, enhancing core stability, and relieving tight hip flexors, areas often neglected in men's workout routines. These muscles play a key role in overall fitness, posture, and injury prevention. Focusing on your glutes helps stabilize the pelvis and supports your lower back, making everyday movements like walking, climbing stairs, or lifting heavy objects much smoother and pain-free. Additionally, it promotes better posture and balance, which can improve performance in other exercises and activities. If physical activity feels like a struggle, or you've been dealing with lower back discomfort, the glute bridge should become a staple in your routine. It's not just about strengthening muscles. This exercise helps you move more efficiently, feel more agile, and even reduce the risk of injury. How to do it? Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement. Hold the position for 2 to 3 seconds, and then lower your hips back down slowly. If this feels too easy, challenge yourself by trying a single leg variation or adding weights on your hips for extra intensity. Number 2, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a fantastic full-body exercise that boosts cardiovascular fitness, increases endurance, and improves overall coordination. This simple yet effective move targets multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and arms, giving you a great workout in a short amount of time. Incorporating jumping jacks into your routine elevates your heart rate, making it an excellent warm-up or an extra challenge for cardio workouts. They also improve balance and flexibility, promoting better body control and movement efficiency. How to do it? Start with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump your feet out wide while raising your arms overhead. Quickly return to the starting position. Keep your movements controlled and your core engaged. Remember to land softly to reduce impact on your joints. To intensify the exercise, increase your speed. Number 3, bodyweight squats. Squats are one of the most effective exercises for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core. This powerhouse move engages multiple muscle groups, building lower body strength, improving balance, and enhancing overall mobility. Plus, squats mimic functional movements used in everyday activities. Incorporating squats into your routine boosts metabolism, increases muscle mass, and helps with fat burning. They also support joint health, particularly in the knees and hips, by improving flexibility and range of motion, which reduces the risk of injury. How to do it? Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and back straight. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to stand back up, keeping your core engaged. To make it more challenging, add weights, increase reps, or try jump squats for an extra burst of intensity. Number 4, the plank. The plank is a highly effective exercise for building core strength, stability, and endurance. This simple move targets your abs, back, shoulders, arms, and glutes, making it a full-body workout in disguise. Incorporating planks into your routine improves posture, balance, and muscular endurance, which are essential for everyday movements and complex exercises. Planks also promote a strong and stable lower back, helping to prevent injury and reducing the risk of lower back pain. How to do it? Position yourself on the floor with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes to maintain alignment. Hold the position for as long as possible, gradually increasing your time. For added intensity, try side planks or incorporate leg lifts to challenge your stability further. Number 5. The dead hang. At first glance, it might seem like hanging from a bar without moving has little purpose. But don't be fooled. This deceptively simple exercise is a powerhouse for your fitness. The dead hang is one of the most effective ways to enhance shoulder health, alleviate tension in your spine, and develop an iron grip. Whether you're recovering from long hours at a desk or looking to boost your overall strength, the dead hang delivers incredible benefits with minimal effort. How to do it? Find a pull-up bar or a sturdy overhead structure. Grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Let your body hang freely, keeping your shoulders relaxed and your core engaged. Start by holding for 20 to 30 seconds and work your way up to 1 to 2 minutes. Though it may look simple, the dead hang can be challenging, so begin with shorter holds to build strength gradually. Quick weekly workout plan. 1. Glute Bridge, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. 2. Jumping jacks, 3 rounds of 30 to 60 seconds. 3. Squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. 4. Plank, 3 sets, holding for 30 to 60 seconds each. 5. Dead hang, 2 to 3 rounds starting with 20 to 30 seconds. Rest for about 1 minute between sets. This entire workout takes around 20 minutes and addresses strength, mobility, and flexibility. If done consistently 3 times a week, you'll start seeing noticeable results. By incorporating these 5 powerhouse exercises into your daily routine, you'll see amazing results in no time. Consistency is key, so keep challenging yourself and tracking your progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Let's build strength and stay fit together. Check out our other videos on the screen now.